Hi guys, today we're going to be pruning up land and stuff. It's a vlog video about it. We're just getting off all the tall ones so it's a bit bushy and stuff. It's also very big and stuff and it's really hard for us to reverse. It's really hard. It's really sunny today. Loki's got the tractor over here full of some rubbish and stuff. So mostly we're just cutting the bamboo and putting it in a pile. Like he's got his gurney out today. Maybe you should put some shoes on. Yeah, pretty good idea. Alright, we gotta get all this lantana bush out. Yeah, we gotta find the root first. Okay. Let's see if this works better. It's definitely working. And it's off. Alright, Mom, got it off. Alright, now we gotta pull it out. Okay.
It's not an easy way to remove that one. Yeah.
Well, da-da. Just got a quick little check of the guinea pigs. Guinea pigs! Say hi to the camera. I'm picking them and putting them on a trailer and we just found a cocoon. I'm gonna have to put pressure on it so they don't just slip off. Like, or maybe I can slip them, like move the stems down and down onto this, and that'll be a bit better. I'll try that. And I'm gonna make some stables for the plants out of these. I'm gonna cut them into like halves and then stables. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you never miss another video. Bye!